Have you seen this video floating around on TikTok? Well, if you guessed it was CGI, you'd be right, and here's how we did it.
So the whole idea for the robot attack actually came from a Blender rigging course that I took on CG Cookie's website, and I sent the results over to Luke and Brad.
So when I saw the results, I said, why don't we make a TikTok where a robot arm goes insane and attacks a factory worker?
So I got to work by designing the block out of the factory. That meant figuring out what my composition of the shot was and what I wanted to include in the final scene. So I plopped in my robot arm and I started building the set around it, which meant shelving, fences, boxes, you name it. Next came the animation. Now, I didn't have a month to spend on this thing, so I needed to work fast. Luckily, if you have an active Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, then you gain access to Mixamo, which is an amazing asset library of stock animations and models for 3D characters. So I plopped in some actors and began blending animations from Mixamo until I got my final results. Neat. After that, I did some texturing in Substance Painter, threw in some lights, and boom, had my scene. Finally, I took the exported footage, gummed it up with a custom VCR looking After Effects. Final shot is complete.
And that was how we pulled it off. We wanted to make something that looked really believable, looked realistic, but we also wanted to tell a story. And so we gave the robots some emotion, which, kind of gave away that they were CGI to most people, but it still made a really cool video, and I think overall it was a success.
I would agree, man.